India, the world's largest democratic country, is gearing up for the third phase of the Lok Sabha elections. Following the completion of voting in two phases on April 19 and April 26, the stage is set for the third phase of the 18th Lok Sabha elections. In the third phase, polling will take place in 94 Lok Sabha constituencies spanning 10 states and 2 union territories, with Gujarat among them. Interestingly, P. Bharti, the Chief Electoral Officer of Gujarat's Election Commission, has unveiled the virtual reality-based election metaverse to educate and engage first-time voters in the state. It is intended to transform the voting experience of more than 13 lakh first-time voters in the Lok Sabha elections. Well, Gujarat heads to the polls today, and this measure is a step towards modernizing the electoral process, particularly for new voters. Built with cutting-edge technology, users may easily navigate the entire voting process, from entering the virtual polling station to casting their vote via computer or Android mobile devices, just by creating avatars. P. Bharti, the Chief Electoral Officer of Election Commission in Gujarat, expressed enthusiasm about the innovative use of technology to enhance voter education and participation. Through this virtual reality platform, voters can navigate a simulated voting experience, providing them with a comprehensive understanding of the voting process. That's what the Chief Electoral Officer says. Take a look.
मतदार यादी में फर्स्ट टाइम वोटर्स हमारे पास 13 लाख से ज़्यादा है एंड अभी तक एक बार भी वोटिंग नहीं किया है, इवन 2022 में भी वोट नहीं किया, ऐसा भी मतदार हो सकते हैं। तो लगभग 40-50 लाख का वोटर्स है। ये लोग को खबर नहीं हो पाता है कि वोटिंग कैसे करना है और इलेक्शन पोलिंग स्टेशन के अंदर ये इलेक्शन प्रोसेस कैसे होता है। तो इसके लिए हम लोग GTPL અને વર્ચ્યુઅલ હાઇટ્સ એ બંને સાથે સહયોગ કરીને એક ઇલેક્શન મેટાવર્સનું બનાવ્યું છે। इसके माध्यम से बेसिकली ये वर्चुअल रियलिटी के माध्यम से एक्चुअल इलेक्शन प्रोसेस कैसे होता है इसका रियल फीलिंग आपको हो सकता है। सो मैं रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ कि आपका सभी मीडिया मित्रों से ये फर्स्ट टाइम वोटर सुधी आप लेके जाइए, सो दैट लोगों को ये एक्चुअल इलेक्शन कैसे होता है एक वर्चुअल रियलिटी का फीलिंग आ सकता है।
Interestingly, the election metaverse is collaboratively developed by GTPL Media Group and Virtual Heights. Gujarat Telelink Private Limited, or GTPL, is one of India's leading and largest multi-system operators with a presence in 11 states, offering digital cable television and broadband services, whereas Virtual Heights is an Ahmedabad-based blockchain development company. Well, election metaverse seems to be an interesting and exciting way to engage first-time voters in Gujarat. That's all in this segment. Keep watching 3.2 TV for more such updates, and do log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code. This is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off.